Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yvonne, and I'll be going into the kitchen and I'll be showing you how to prepare fried fish with festival, Jamaican style. Okay, so come with me. Here I have my 6 tilapias already washed, clean. I washed them with lime and salt and vinegar, so they're all ready to be sliced up and prepared for you guys. So it is gonna be so delicious. I am going to be cutting each one of these fish. So here I go, guys. I'm just gonna slice it so that when I'm frying it, the oil can just go through it and cook it properly. Yes, guys, I'm just trying to make sure that all these fish are cut. Just have a little slice on it. Because I'm cooking fishing festival, I really don't have to go ahead and dry it up too much because I will be putting the fish in deep oil. So you will see, guys. All my fish is cut, washed, and cleaned. So what I'm going to do now is to apply the seasoning to the fish. So I'm going to be putting all the fish here. So yes, guys, these are my fish that I have cut, and I have them washed and everything. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is to season the fish. I really don't have to dry it. I'm just going to season it and put it on the napkin over here. There's another dish that I have over here, guys, that I'm just going to lay the fish on as I put the seasoning on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this all-purpose seasoning, Goya, and I'm gonna use just a little garlic salt because I love to use garlic, and I'm gonna use some black pepper. Okay, so here I go, guys. I'm just gonna sprinkle my fish. The Goya has enough salt in it, so I don't really have to put any more salt on it. But that's it. So this is the Goya and the garlic that I'm adding onto it. I'm gonna let this fish sit for some time so that the black pepper and the seasoned salt can marinate in it. Okay? And then I'll come back and show you how I fry it. I went ahead and had my pot to the fire where I can have it preheated. So there it is, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour the oil in now. You want to have enough oil so that the fish don't sit directly to the bottom of the frying pan, so that the fish won't stuck to the frying pan and you have your fish break it in pieces. So here is the fish, guys. I'm going to put it in and I'm going to show you what happened when I put the fish in. At this point, because the oil is hot and the fish is wet, the fish does not stick to the pot when you have enough oil to push the fish around. So you see I'm pushing the fish, guys, and the fish is not stuck to the pot. See that? So this is the result you get from when you fry your fish in enough oil and it is wet. The fish will be able to sit freely in the pot and the oil will work itself into the bottom of the fish that is sliced. So there you go, guys, my fish is frying. This, guys, fish is still frying. Because it's cooking in a whole lot of oil, it is going to be very, very, very nicely cooked on the inside. The fish is cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how I make the festival. So I have some baking powder, my sugar, and my cornmeal, and I have some milk. As I'm gonna go ahead and put the flour in. And this is 2 cups of flour. Half cups of cornmeal. A cup of sugar. I'm going to put a tablespoon of baking powder in the mixture. I'm going to put my salt. Now I'm just going to use this salt here, the sea salt. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt. Now guys, what I'm going to try and do, because this is a little, I'm going to try and sieve everything through the strainer so that everything just come out in one good mix. And the purpose of this, guys, is to make sure that everything is mixed in properly. Okay. I just washed my hands again, guys, so I'm gonna make sure I want to make sure that this is not too pasty, just right. Want to make sure that you get every flour needed in. You don't want to leave nothing in the bottom of the bowl. So in the process I'm doing this, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the fish. This is all ready. Guys, here's the fish. I was able to still knead the flour, and the fish is still there, frying, not burning because of the oil, the amount of oil that I have in the pot. So there it is, guys. This, guys, turn it on the other side, and I'll be cooking the next batch. So you see that, guys, all the fish are properly cooked. They're not sticking to the pot. If I had small amount, if I didn't have so much oil in the pot, they would have stick to the pot, but because I'm cooking in a lot of oil, they're not sticking to the pot. So here I can go ahead now and take them out. Have a batch of fish. Guys, what I noticed, because the fish is still wet, if they still, because I'm doing fried fish, do it in this style, I have to make sure that the fish is not on each other, because they will stuck together. So fish is all ready, properly cooked. And I'm going to go ahead now and take them out. There you go, guys. Now, guys, this is my dough for my festival, and I have my hand washed, and I'm drying my hands now. And I'll show you how I make the dough. This here, you want to make sure that it is not too short. Must be good enough, and then you want to do it like this, thin and long, because of the baking soda, it's going to swell. So I had the festival to deep frying oil so that the festival can cook evenly. And you don't want to turn your back on these because they will burn easily. And you'll see, guys, how easy this festival turn brown. So you have to watch them properly, and then you have to turn them to make sure that it is fried properly. Guys, you see how quick they turn brown, and also they have doubled in size. So I am ready now to take these out and put the next set in. So guys, look how brown and crispy looking and delicious. Look at it, guys. This is what you will want to have when you come to Jamaica and you're on the beach. This is the Jamaican festival that you will be eating and paying a lot of money for. You'll be surprised. So now you know how to cook this, guys. You can just cook it yourself at home. Guys, this is the last one that I have. I'm just going to go ahead and take out these other ones. The festival, guys, you can see it is soft, and you can just break it with your hands like that, guys. Look at that. Look at that sumptuous deliciousness. This is it, guys. And the fish, all cooked inside out in a deep oil. Alright, guys, there you go, guys. The fried fish and festival is all ready and ready to be eaten, guys. And this is a typical Jamaican dish, especially when you go to the beach and the guys cook at the beach. So this is how they prepare their fish and their festival for the customer, especially tourists. You can have it with whatever seasoning that you want. You can have scallion and cabbage or any other side dish that you prefer. So guys, if you like my channel, don't be afraid to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell that you can be informed of more videos. Have a good day.